Hi everyone, good afternoon, Mrs. Haryati. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Divana Bilariski from Group 1, and today we are going to present about a pragmatic study of Dexis in Imran Khan's speech at the United Nations General Debate. This presentation is based on a journal written by Suci Ramadhani and Sri Wuli Fitriati from the postgraduate program of Universitas Negeri Semarang, Indonesia. In this presentation, I will guide you through the concept of Dexis, its types, and how they are used in Imran Khan's speech to create meaning, establish identity, and engage his audience at the international level. So without further ado, let's begin to the presentation. Introduction to Linguistic Pragmatics. Language serves as a fundamental tool for human communication, enabling the exchange of complex ideas through symbolic systems. Linguistics as a field systematically investigates the intricate components of language, from phonetics to semantics. Our study delves into pragmatics as a field of linguistics that focuses on the meaning of language in context, extending beyond the literal interpretation of words, based on Yule, 1996. This approach is crucial for understanding the nuanced layers of communication, especially in high-stakes public address. And the next slide is understanding contextual pointing. Dexis, derived from the Greek word for pointing, refers to linguistic expression whose interpretation is dependent on the context in which they are uttered, based on Levinson, 1983. This expression, known as deictic terms, include words like I, here, now, and this, which acquire specific meaning only when their referents are known within a particular communicative situation. For example, number 1, person or dexis refers to participant in a utterance example, I, you, he, she, we, they. And the next is time dexis, indicates the temporal location on a utterance, for example, now, then, yesterday, and tomorrow. And the next is place dexis, specifies the spatial location relative to the speaker, for example, here, there, this, and that. And the next is discourse dexis, refers to parts of the ongoing discourse, for example, this sentence and that argument. And the last is social dexis, express social status or relationship between participants, for example, honorifics and formal, you. And the next slide is research focus. Imran Khan UN address. Our research centers on the speech delivered by Imran Khan, the then Prime Minister of Pakistan, at 74 session on the United Nations General Assembly in September 2019. This international platform provides a unique context for examining the strategic use of Dexis. Number 1, speech context, delivered on September 27, 2019. Key themes: Islamophobia, Kashmir conflict, climate change, corruption, and global peace. Audience: world leaders, diplomats, and international media. And the next is analytical purpose. The primary objective is to meticulously analyze the various types of dexis employed by Imran Khan throughout his addresses. We aim to uncover how his deictic choice contribute the conveying specific meanings, evoking emotion, and ultimately persuading a diverse international audience. This includes understanding how he situates himself and his nation in relation to global events and other actors through linguistic pointing. And the next slide is guiding research question. To achieve our research objective, we formulate 2 specific questions that directed our analysis of Imran Khan's speech. Number 1 is dominant dexis type. What type of dexis? Person, time, place, discourse, or social is most dominantly used by Imran Khan in his speech. And what does this prevalence suggest about his community strategy? And the next is strategic intent of dexis. Why does Imran Khan strategically employ certain types of dixies in his speech, what are the rhetorical, emotional, and persuasive effects intended by his deictic choice in addressing a global audience. And the next slide will be explained by Gabriel.
Slide 6, Methodological Framework. Our study adopts a rigorous qualitative research designed to insert a comprehensive pragmatic analysis of the speech. For number 1, talk about research design. The study employs a qualitative research design specifically focused on pragmatic analysis. This is approach allows for in-depth interpretation of language phenomena within their specific context and the moving beyond mere quantification to understand the how and the why of language. For number 2, theoretical foundation. The analysis is grounded in the Stephen Leviathan seminal classification of dixies as outlined in his work Pragmatic. This is theoretical framework provide the essential category and the definition for identification and the interpretation different the expression and the consistency and the academic rigor. For number 3 is data and the tools. The primary data source is the complete 50-minute video recording of the Imran Khan speech at the UN General Assembly. This is raw linguistic data was subject to a systematic process involving transcription of the their speech, followed by the careful classification of individual expression into lesion category, and finally a detailed analysis of the contextual projection and the implication. We talk about example of the dixies in the context. The prevalence of time dixies highlight Imran Khan's strategy to occur his argument in clear temporal framework, connection historical context with the current issue and the future aspiration. Here are illustration example. For number 2, the present tense. Expression, emendation, and the current state is the top. I feel honored today to speak before this Augustus, or the highlight the current significance of the moment and his role. For 2 is past tense. Recalling prevision, action, or historical event is the we plan a billion years to combat climate change, a history initiative used to build credibility and the record adjustment. For the future test, projection of the comes or the commitment, we will admit it the entire community has the regularly ignored the Kashmir issue. For the temporal adverbs, specific time marked the word mosaic, now the prevent a human and casta for last year I spoke about the need for the justice. This is adverb provide prefaces temporal position for his argument. For the strategy use past and future tense is the slide 9. While the present tense dominate the strategy deploy of pens and the future tense play critical roles in the shaping Imran Khan narrative, along with the stability, context trace, and the curricular fashion past tense. And the past tense is the dispersed narrative use and record historical event past and the justice of the previous action taken by Pakistan or the essence. For the example, the same hold to Kashmir is for issue and the start of the time. For the lying, blame, and the credit attributing past outcome to specific actor or the decision. For the future tense is the predication on the warning used for the forecast consequent if the chain action is not taken, particularly concerning climate change of the conflict. For the articulating Pakistan future intention or the commitment on the various global issues is talked about we will admit fact or the we will continue to advocate. For the conclusion, this is study clause that Imran Khan speaks the United Nations General Debate demonstration, the strategy use of the various type of dixes include personal, spatial, temporal, social, and the discord dixes. The dixes are not only used to refer to people, time, and the place, but also to contraction, social relationship, and the political possession through dixes like we or the our, and the can created solidarity with the Pakistani people, while spatial and the temporal dixes have to situation is the argument and the specific geopolitical context. For the reflect respect and the hierarchy in formal setting and the super, the diplomat tone of the speech, the overall dixis serves both rivals and the persuasive conjunction and the reinforcing the speaker's stance and the exchange the pragmatic impact of the political message, the finding emphasizes the importance of pragmatic element in the understanding of the language issue effectively in the international political discourse. For this is our presentation group 1 and I say thank you.